All right, so I'm looking at this problem and I've put the 91,446 into scientific notation. So moving that decimal over 4 places to the left, I got 4 here. And so when I do these problems, one way to do them is I can divide this portion of the problem. So I'm going to turn my calculator on and you should see my screen at the bottom. Let me go a little bit closer maybe. And so on my screen, I'm going to take 9.1446 and divide it by 9.3. So for that portion of the problem, I end up with 0.98329. And then I can take this portion, so I'll say times 10, and then I take the exponent and I subtract I take the numerator exponent, I subtract the denominator exponent. So now I see this times 10 to the negative 3. However, because this portion in proper scientific notation needs to be a number between 1 and 10, I have to change this portion and I have to make it a number between 1 and 10. So I have to move this over 1 spot, and that would make this number 9.8. And then because I moved it 1 spot this way, it would give me a negative 2 as my exponent. So in scientific notation, this would be my answer. And this is to round your answer to 4 decimal places for the decimal notation and 2 decimal places for scientific notation. So here are 2 decimal places. So in scientific notation. And then to write this in decimal notation, I'd move that decimal 2 places to the left. And I would round it to 4 decimal places. So this is my decimal notation.